Right. Next, we will talk about the second one, that is the diplontic life cycle. By seeing the name, you can easily make out that we here in this stage, the diploid phase is more dominant as compared to the haploid phase. And by now, you might be knowing, like diploid phase means we are talking about the zygote and the sporophytic phase, right? So that is more dominant, right? And main plant body that exhibit itself as a sporophytic phase, right? And when the requirement is there by the plant, then only that will lead to the formation of the spore and then the gametes, right? Otherwise the whole plant body will survive or will complete most of its lifetime or life period in the form of sporophytic phase, right? So here you see the sporophytic phase will be the dominant one, and that will be the main plant body that will undergo meiosis, that is the reductional division to give rise to spores. These are the sexual spores we are talking in case of plant kingdom, right? So these spores will form when they get mature. They will give rise to gametophytic phase, but this gametophytic phase is completely dependent upon the sporophytic phase for its nourishment, for its nutrition, and for all the processes. And this is a very few cell structure gametophyte, like only, and it lasts only for a very short time, right? Very short dependent, right, upon the sporophytic phase. Then this gametophyte will give rise to the gametes, and these gametes will fuse to give rise to the zygote. So again, whenever there is a requirement, then this phase will happen. Otherwise, most of the time the plant will be in the sporophytic phase. This zygote will again give rise to the mature sporophyte, right? So this cycle continues, but only when the requirement is there. Otherwise the plant survives most of its lifespan in this period, right, in this phase, I mean. Okay, so this happens in not most, in all the gymnosperms and angiosperms. Only exception is there, like in case of algae, brown algae, fucus, that also shows this diplontic life cycle.